Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Ooh, and it's cold and windy today. The sun is shining, but man, that wind is strong. And so I thought, man, I'll bring the Aeroscout out here, and I should be able to handle this wind as long as it don't blow away on me. It's taking off. Oh, I'll have to flip it back over. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, guys, I got it in high rates and I got safe on. Let's get this thing in the air. Ooh, oh, she wanted to turn fast on me. Let's get this thing turned around. We'll take it downwind just a little bit so I'm not staring in the wind, or into the sun, I mean. See it? That's almost no throttle. It's sinking, but not coming towards me here. Pushing the nose down and picking the speed up to get it to come to me. I might be doing a lot of kiting today because the wind is plenty strong. Let's bring it down a little bit lower. Pushing full nose down with safe on. There we go, letting off. That sun is strong, so we'll get it back around the other side again. Let's try not to get as far away this time. There we go, easing in. And keep that throttle going because it does take a little bit. Get it going again. All right, right here, we're gonna slow it down. The wind playing with it. Unfortunately, we don't have a steady wind today. It is gusting, so I can get it stopped when the wind's blowing, but then it stops and then it picks up speed and then the wind comes again, and oh goodness. We're gonna get safe off here in a second and see if we can have some fun with this. Bringing it around, here we go, safe off now. Still in high rates. Get a loop in there. Ooh, that wind. Of course, I do have safe ready if I need it. It ain't gonna help me much this low. Still safe as off. This wind, I wasn't sure if I was gonna come out and fly, but I was like, it's Saturday and the sun is shining, I gotta get out there. So I was gonna do a loop, and then it got really slow, so I started rolling. That way, that's about halfway. If you don't think you're gonna complete the loop, make it start rolling so you got time to get out of it. Holding a lot of rudder. Oh. Today is not one of those days when you practice touch and goes, because you touch down and the wind catches the wing just wrong and you flip your airplane upside down. That was a pretty good low pass. Nice and slow with safe off. Go back to safe. Here we go. That'll keep my wings level for me as I bring it in nice and low. It's colder than I thought it was going to be. My fingers are starting to get numb, so we'll get this back in here pretty close pretty soon. maybe a couple more laps, and I'm gonna have to call the flight because it's just cold. All right, it's there we go. Oh, she got a little crooked on me, but I was able to save it. Now fighting back into this wind because that wind was strong. Here we go. Pushing full down elevator, and it was still climbing. That wind is strong enough it's making my eyes tear up. Got the kite going. Actually going the wrong way. Just get it to sit there and not go anywhere. That's pretty crazy that you can do that with safe. Some people probably can do it without safe, but it's a little bit difficult for me. I need a little bit of help keeping the wings level because when you get it that slow, it wants to roll. All right, this time we're going to bring it around and see if we can get it on the ground safely. I'll get it up in the truck. Be pretty tough when it's going this slow to get a decent landing. It sounds weird to say that, but the wind will want to pick it up just as I'm getting it to the ground. So gotta be really careful here. There, I'll take that. Well, guys, it's just a little too much wind to really have fun today. I did get out and fly. And I just love it. Even when it's not the greatest conditions, it's super nice to be able to get out and fly some RC. My eyes are so watered up. I was going to fly the Valiant and make another video for you guys, but I think I'm going to pass on it because I'm worried that I'll mess it up. It's just that strong a wind. Guys, I do appreciate everybody's support, and big thanks to the Lord for some sun at least. The conditions aren't great for flying, but still I was able to have fun with some RC, and that's always good. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.